Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 6 Stacey Drive. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property which benefits from having ample off-road parking here to the front. There's also a really nice sized garden to the rear and an ensuite shower room to the main bedroom. Okay, now coming into the property we have the entrance lobby and also a downstairs cloakroom here with toilet and wash basin. And moving through to the living room. Nice spacious room, and then a window also to the front aspect. And we've got the stairs going up to the first floor, and then through to the dining kitchen, which has double doors out to the garden. Plenty of room here for a dining table and chairs as well. And then we have a fitted kitchen with quartz work surfaces, integrated fridge freezer, double oven, gas hob and dishwasher in here as well. Okay, then on to the first floor. We've got the landing area here, which leads to the 3 bedrooms and bathroom. First bedroom here, which also benefits from having an ensuite shower room, as well as a built-in wardrobe with sliding doors. And then we've got the ensuite here, which has a good size walk-in shower with electric shower unit. And across to bedroom 2. Also with a double wardrobe. And then bedroom 3, again at the front of the property. And then through to the bathroom. Okay, so then just moving outside, and we have a flagged patio which goes down to the old garden area, which has fenced boundaries. And then there's also gated access to the side of the house, leading back out to the front. And that completes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.